Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ghayas Ahmed from Learn Pashto Language YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss a new lesson in which we are discussing dialogue between two persons regarding weather in Pashto language. په پښتو ژبه کې د موسم په اړه د دوو اشخاصو ترمنځ خبرې پشتو زبان में मौसम के हवाले से दो बंदों के दरमियान बातचीत तरमेंस बिटवीन खबरी डायलॉग या बातचीत पाड़ा रिगार्डिंग मौसम वेदर जबा लैंग्वेज पख्तो पश्तो पख्तो की इन पश्तो दो टू अशखास व persons खबरी डायलॉग अहमद अस्सलाम वालेकुम अस्सलाम वालेकुम Ali wa alaikum assalam greetings Ali, how are you? Sanga ye Sanga, how are you? Ye, how are you? Sanga ye. Informally, when we are talking to somebody informally, then we will use Sanga ye, how are you? And if we are talking to plural or we are talking with someone formally, then we will use Sanga ye instead of ye. Ahmed, I'm fine. Zo khayam. Zo I. Kha fine. Yam am. Zo khayam. Where are you going? Ta charta zi. Ta you. Charta where? Zi going. Where are you going? Ta charta zi. Ta is used when we are talking to somebody which is singular or when we are talking to somebody who is so frank with us or we are talking informally to him or her, and if we are talking to somebody who is elder than us or we are keeping the distance in mind, we are talking formally, then or we are talking with plural, then we will use taso instead of ta. Ta chartai will be converted to ta taso chartaze. I am going to the market. Z bazarta ravaniyam. Z I bazarta to the market. Ravaniyam going. Yam am. I am going to the market. Z bazarta ravaniyam. Ali, it is very hot. Dera garmida. Dera very. Dera is used for feminine, means very, and for masculine we use der. Garmi hot. Da hai is. As garmi is hotness is feminine in Pashto, so we used da for is, and if it is masculine then we will use they instead of da. Yes, it is very hot in few days. Aw the yosorazuna dera garmi da. Aw yes, it is the yosorazu few days. Razu days. Na say dera very. Garmi hot. Da is. How the surazuna dera garmi da. Ali, it is the result of our actions. Da zamunga da amalunu amalu natijada. Amalunu ya amalu. It is the amalu actions. Da zamung da amalu natijada. Da zamung our amalu actions natija result. Da is. Da zamunga da amalu natijada. Da zamunga da amaluna natijada ya amalu natijada. I am getting late. Pama na waqta ki. Pama na waqta ki. I am getting late. Na waqta means late. Kigi हो रहा हूँ. Okay, see you next time. See you next time. Kha balwakh badi uvinam. Kha okay. Balwakh next time. Badi will see you. Ba will. The uvinam see you. Kha balwakh badi uvinam. I hope you will understand this lesson and will enjoy it. If you find any kind of confusion or you don't understand anything, or you have any problem to understand, you can simply comment here on the Facebook page as well as on the YouTube channel. I will try to get you soon, and we'll sort you out. For instance, you have to give a like to this video and share it with your friends and family. We'll see you in next video. Till that, fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum.